Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm just going to go through this warning on the Land Rover Sport 2017. So this is the fault code, well, it's the fault warning we're getting, and if we release the handbrake, that is what we are getting on the screen. In terms of fault code, this is the fault code we are getting. So right motor, and then B111177, whatever. Okay, this is to do with this video here. So this is another video. They have worked on the driver's side, so that one in there is to do with the driver's side caliper, the piston that holds the pads together when you do this. They've worked on it, and you can see they've done a cowboy job. I cannot believe they've done this. Whoever's done it before me, I mean, God help you, mate, because you shouldn't do that, and that's very risky. Long story short, that's the cause of it. In your case, it may be a short circuit wire somewhere in the thing, or it could be just the caliper that's gone and you need to replace it. And when you do, you'll need to calibrate it afterwards, which I'll make another video on and show you guys how to do it. But that is reality. That's what it looks like. And these are the fault codes. The car runs and drives. I mean, in your case, it may be seized, you can't even move it. In this case, nope, all fine, to be fair with you.